Y'all, this is a Beyonce wig on the go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl. Hey y'all, for those who are new here, my name is Naraya. Okay, we are doing yet another wig review. Okay, I want to give a huge thank you to Wig Fever hair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, this is a Beyonce wig on the go. Okay, fully glueless. Talk about it. Fully glueless unit. Okay, look how full this hair is. Full, baby. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is literally a Beyonce wig on the go. Okay, like, period. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this hair. I love this hair. I even love that it's glueless. I literally took it out the box, put some makeup on it, plopped it on my head, added a little bit of water and mousse to the hair, and baby, it was as simple as that. Color is perfect. This hair, I mean, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this hair, beautiful. It's so well colored. I love how they colored this hair. It is so gorgeous. I did not cut it. I didn't do nothing to it. I literally just plopped it on my head and kept going. Okay, absolutely love this. We'll be slaying this in the club this summer, not even gonna lie. I love this. I love this. I love this hair. They did a very good job with this hair. Huge thank you to Wig Fever for sponsoring today's video. As always, don't forget to check the description box, and if you want to see me install it, girl, and get this look going for you, make sure y'all keep watching. Okay, I love y'all, and until next time, I will see y'all later.